This here is the elevator at JCPenney at Columbia Mall in Columbia, Missouri. This is an interesting one here. There's your fixtures. There's no indicator from what I'm seeing here. But anyways, here's your fixtures. There's your phone. Let's go up to 2. Here we are at 2. Let's go down to 1. Immediately starts moving when you push the button. Here we are at 1. Let the door close. Door close does not work. Let's get a cab view. It's a basic elevator. If anybody knows what kind of elevator this is, please let me know down in the comments. Here's your fixtures up close. It's got a stop switch instead of a stop key switch. Let's go back up to 2.
That's what I got laid. Hey, and they're $99.99.
There it goes. And that's it.